Mama wakwaba wafreme Ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo kwame A+ abekasa na okasa wie no NPP fo ni bia man reply a omo etrese kwame A+ eye ungrateful. Osanso eye lazy onfa ni nsemu enso ho na NPP fo ba power omo man position omo de no eto adwuma kese ano ahese nka wonyi sika oye lazy na wantimi anhwe so a onyina no emfa emfree his excellency na nado dankwa ekufu ado no ho ebusuafo edensem ena kwame A+ ede ebetu dwe nam so a NPP fo ni bi omo akomadwen ede akire no kwame etrese ono onim ayonkofa eda ono ena his excellency na nado dankwa ekufu ado Ghana yem president omuntem enti nyamia ni kware ni ontumi ndidi his excellency na nado dankwa ekufuado atem ende anase wochena na emom Ghana fo enim ensonson a eda se obi criticize obi ewo bone a oye ho ena obi edidi obi atem o criticize NPP aban but ondidi his excellency na nado dankwa ekufuado atem ebusuafo den ena akofa ensem we na aba na no Saturday ya etwemi United Showbiz eye program a UTV4 e hosti ewo Despite Media na ensem bi akoso for so long efa omo talk show omo ye ho na ka eye entertainment afi akoda ne politics na political talk show no omo ye ho no so no NPP fo na de bia edomo ano anka ye normal because mo so a mo ye abaya mo so de criticize na obe criticize mo NPP fo say hey omo ta ya pa adan a won ti ase omo atro letter tin de akoma Despite Media management team ne say omo nje krata no won kan won hwem nsemo wo mu bia no mo fa ya adwuma won je NPP dimbo krata ekodi UTV ho no that very week no kwame A+ ne papa wi nti wan kwa adwuma okosie ne papa wi no nya adaje ba UTV beje krata no titim swan a disrespect party no and am so and anano Saturday program a call so NPP supporters ni bi call UTV ene omo ekonya akasa na e was sense me when the Ghana fo bebra kasa Ghana Journalist Association omo de omo nkrata babonto omo HSS a boys no yeso embra ene omo di ena ade a eno ena GH1 se wa me here aye kwame A+ interview a obisa ne se NPP for ekeka se ono kwame A+ or sorry I would his excellency na nado dankwa kufuado ena ne vice president Dr. Bawomi Atem no kware be ne wom kwame A+ se no kware bi enim eno ena Ghana fu be man reply so boa with his excellency na nado dankwa kufuado atempa na se o ka se NPP for se bi omu agimi a na nado CPP anayo OPC anoye den na nado NPP no NPP ni so ka se NPP for agimi his excellency ka ho yentie nsema kwame A+ ede etudwane emeti nsema Ghana fu be so aka ede akire no.
And I'm asking you, one of the reasons they cited is that you consistently sit on the show, insult the president, insult the vice president, insult the party, the general secretary of the party. How do you respond to that?
I consistently do what?
Insult the president, the vice president, and the general secretary of the party.
Accepting without admitting. Why haven't they gone to attack Kennedy Japan? Is Kennedy Japan not a member of their party? Why don't they go and attack Kennedy Japan? Is he not the same person who threatened the president and the vice president to give them a showdown? Hasn't he said everything about this party? Why don't they go there? And that's what I'm saying, that to start with, everybody must just, I don't even know, there's just too many people calling for interviews. And I tell them, go on your show and just condemn this. Don't even ask me questions. Because there is no sense, there is no justification, there is nothing that you can do about this. You are saying that I've been attacking the president. So let's say the president went to a show and he was booed. And you come on, it's an entertainment show. We are talking about what happened at the show. And I said, yes, the president was booed because people are not happy with what's going on in the country. The people who were there include NPP people who are disappointed. And so you get up and say, we are going to attack this A+ on UTV because he has spoken again. I will never insult Nana Akufo-Addo. And Nana Akufo-Addo himself knows it, that me. On so many occasions, I have tried to run away from issues that concern Nana Akufo-Addo or involves Nana Akufo-Addo in a way. Akufo-Addo knows in his heart that I will never insult Akufo-Addo. What they don't know is the difference between criticizing people and insulting people. I will not do that. I have a relationship with Nana Akufo-Addo, which makes it very difficult for me. And we were brought up in a certain way. However, I will tell you exactly how it is. You say I am insulting the General Secretary, so you wake up from your house to come to UTV to come and attack me. The General Secretary called me on Thursday that we should meet and have a discussion. He is my friend. I have never insulted him. Let's say I have insulted the General Secretary. And so, does that justify your coming to attack the media? What is the court for? If I've insulted the General Secretary, it should go and sue me for defamation or whatever. How does that concern those boys who came to UTV? Let's say I've insulted the MPP as a party. Let's go to police CID and go and report me for whatever conduct or take me to court. We should not give these people any form of justification. Look, let me tell you one thing. On the night when they came to attack UTV, the owners of UTV, the organizer of the national organizer Nana B, the second lady Samira Baumia were having a party with the owners of UTV. They were together having a party, and you left your house, went to attack because you think that the station is against the same people who are partying together. We have to pump some sense into their heads. And the good thing about it is that all those boys who came there, this issue happened 3 weeks ago. It took them 3 weeks to mobilize, 3 or 2 weeks to mobilize this Fianga Mandela and his boys. Mandela, when he was born in La Paz, I saw him in Achimota. It took them all these days to organize these boys. It took me 30 minutes. I was there with 3 pickups full of boys. Like the way we beat them, eh?
Okay, A+.
Ebusuafo ensem we na kwame A+ e de abetudwa yenti reply omode emano we e kire say stop talking nonsense. You have been insulting the president. What do you mean if you say NPP are fools? Is Nanado an NDC member ungrateful being? What did you do when we gave you an opportunity? Lazy guy. Nti ensem we and as a reply we nomode amakwame A+ e wa bra wa bi na no aka say ontumi de his excellency Nanado Akufo-Addo atem enso no di Nanado atem na Ghana fudi aka we e de akire no.
Who said so pure? Who said that man is not a corrupt man, the most corrupted politician in Ghana? Contract killer. Contract killer. He is a contract fucking killer. Eh? Yeah, the contract man na say, only ni good a year, or bema ya cancel. Obedi wasi akopim say you bet just our contract na free with them. That is who he is. A contract killer. Contract killer. Obi koswa na ya Ibrahim ha contract. Obe killing our contract no. The only person on your contract or person no ne yere ne ma 22 or 23 no me ne contract the any pay. Ghana for the Jimmy won. Ghana for the Jimmy won. Me catch them plane. Me see any time or bebe jine simpie so kan kwasi asem bia. Ya be ma Ghana for we say papa wa kan kwasi asem na wanyini. Na me na me do say 60 years and above the Kenyansa. Who dey na me ya say 70 60 years and above no age is just a number ampa. Because a junior one in the answer who know fool you and so artificial like him nyanse ni dia wo kan mo. Me first bullet to the nonsense he said. Me share video ni bi. O say yellow t-shirt bi. And o jiro no jananum MPP is looting and sharing. Who did they loot it with? You, Kromfo Camp 1, Kromfo. Say MPP for lutu contract na dia wunya contract ni binti no wo ya Kromfo. Some fun akwa. Meba, you think it's a joke here? You think you are going to pamper him? Pamper him like the way NPP is pampering him? We will not pamper you. We will tell you the truth any day, any time. We are not going to stay